If you are new to public speaking, you are not alone. In this video, I'm giving you practical, tried and tested public speaking techniques specifically for beginners so you can speak with confidence, get your message across, and actually be remembered by your audience. Stay with me till the very end, and I'll share the #1 vocal mistake that most beginners make and how you can fix it immediately. My name is Joyce Daniels, Queen of Talk, and I've trained thousands of professionals across Africa to speak with clarity, confidence, and presence. And today, I'll guide you through the most important do's and don'ts, and we'll keep it real and relevant so you walk away with tools you can use today, right now. #1, don't ramble, do structure. When you're not clear, your audience will be confused. And confusion disconnects you from the audience. So whether you're giving a staff update, you're leading a devotion in church, or you're pitching a new idea at work, structure is everything. It prevents you from rambling. Think of it like jollof rice. You have the rice, you have the well-prepared stew, and you have the meat. Every one of them must come correct. That's how your talk is. The intro, the body, the conclusion. No winging, no guesswork. Plan your structure, stick to it, and make it happen. #2, don't avoid eye contact. Do look at your audience. Don't look at the ceiling, don't look at the floor. It's a look at one person and finish a thought. Then shift your gaze to another one and speak to them, finish that sentence there. Look like you're really talking directly with people because you are. Your audience needs to feel seen. That's how we build trust. Except, of course, eye contact is not culturally accepted where you are presenting. That's the only time you can avoid it. #3, do use bullet points. Don't rely heavily on your notes. Reading your speech verbatim, word for word, is like reciting your CV on a first date. It's awkward, it's unnatural, it's uncomfortable. What works best or better is having a few bullet points to guide the presentation so you can have your free talk. It's practice, 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 practice until it feels like you're simply sharing ideas with friends, not like you're defending your PhD thesis. #4, don't overload your slides. Do keep them simple. PowerPoint is not your co-presenter. It is your visual assistant. If your slides look like a newspaper page, you better tear it up. Only one idea per slide. Use images, limit text, use your voice to carry the message because you are the message, not your slides. #5, don't fidget. Do move with purpose. Pacing like you're being chased around like by your village people. Don't do that. If you move, or when you move, do it with purpose. Walk to make a point and stop to drive it home. And your hands, use them with emphasis, not to put in your pocket or to conduct a choir. Be purposeful. #6, don't speak to yourself. Speak to the back of the room. Your voice must command attention. Speak like you want the last person in the room to hear you. Don't speak like you're only speaking to those in front. No. And the #1 vocal mistake that most beginners make is rushing through their entire presentation without breaks. use volume, use tone, and very importantly, use pauses. Silence after a key point is much more powerful than saying that awkward, so yeah. Don't be afraid of silence. Let silence work for you. And there you have it. Real talk from the queen of talk. If you've got the voice, you've got the value, now it's time for you to show up and speak up. Click here to watch the video that helps you pitch like a pro.